Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammed Shoaib, and today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can use a toggle button inside the WinCC SCADA. The toggle button allow you to switch a bit or tag between two states, either 0 or 1, true or false. For example, in this video, we'll create a one button, and once you press this button, it will write a value inside the PLC controller 1, and once again you press this button, it will write a 0 value inside controller. So this is a toggle button function we'll learn in this tutorial. So let's see in practical how we can configure in the WinCC SCADA. So in the previous tutorial, we saw how we can create a project, and we are using in this tutorial same project just to reduce the time of the video. So we already create a tag in also in WinCC SCADA in the previous video. So we'll use the same tags. You can see here mixer 1. So we already developed a tag. So we'll use this pump2 command and the feedback command. So I will close it and we'll open the graphic designer. We already developed this screen in our previous video. We'll open it and we'll use the same graphic screen to create a toggle button. So here graphic designer open this screen. Previously we developed it, and here now we come here in the window object, then select the button and just paste it here and just write the start. Press enter. Okay, now the come here in font and increase the font, just put it 20. Okay. Now the first step, I just want once the button this pump, my pump status is true, on that time it should show stop. Once the value is 0, it should show the start. So to do that, come here in the animation, add animation. This is not we are configuring for toggle. This is just for the change the status of button. We are going to configure. Just select the command and select and the boolean try. And here, yes, I want to change the text value, simple text value. So I want once the value is false, it should show start, and once the value is true, motor is running. So if we want to stop the button, so it should show here the stop. That's it. Come here the event. Now we'll start the toggle button configuration. Come here in the button, mouse, the left, press left and right click. In this particular tutorial, we are going to learn through C script how we can how we can configure the toggle function inside the WinCC SCADA. So I will select the C action. I will remove this the previous commented code, and I will just compile it. There is no error, zero warning. Okay, so here I'll create first one of the variable, like I will put bit value, and after that I want in this value in this variable I want to read the status of my command. So for that, come here in the internal function, then tags, then the get, and then here select it here and then double click here, get bit value. So which bit value you want to read? So for that is a pump2 command. Select, press OK. Now once this but we press the button, this script will execute. It will read the value from the pump2 command and write value inside the this bit value variable. After that, we'll put it here some if else condition, and in the if else condition we write a bit value. Once this value is equal than 0, then we want some script that should execute once the value is equal to 0, and else if the value is not equal than 0, then some other script should execute. Usually, once you just start the pump, the value will be 0. So now we'll use set set bit. So select the set bit. What I want, usually is 0 state whenever like pump is stop and we want to on. So that's why I selected here the 0. So I want here, like if the pump is 0, I want to write a 1 value inside the controller. So select it and select the tag and select particular tag. So I want value 1 and perfect. And similar manner, I want value 0. I'll select the tag, come to command, press OK, and right here 0. So how this code will execute? Like we receive here our current status of bit, either 0 or value. Suppose we assume the initial value is 0. In that case, the bit value is also 0, and this if condition will become true. And then in that case, it will write a value inside our tag pump2 command 1. So it means true value right inside the control. Pump will stop. And for example, pump is already running. So in that case, in the bit value, we receive the value 1. So that is not equal to 0. So in that case, the else condition will execute. So let's see, we'll run the project. Before press, just click at compile, and we'll see if any error is there or not. So here you can see one error is appearing here. This value should not, value should not be there. So just click here in the compile. We are getting 0 error, 0 1. So now our script is perfect. Press OK, save it, and run. So our WinCC runtime is open. So now I will click it here. Once I click, you can see my pump is stopped. And once I click here, so as you can see, my pump is stopped now. I will show you the whole thing, like in the PLC logic also, how I will go in the runtime. So here you can see this is our command bit. So once I press start button, so you can see our this M0.1 bit is true, and this the pump is directly I assign. If you saw previous video, you will see I directly give the Q 0.1. So once I press, so now you can see my M 0.1 is false. So that's why here the pump is also false. So that's it for today video. How we can use a toggle function in the WinCC SCADA and how we can create a toggle button inside the WinCC SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.